Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So we're currently doing a roof replacement on an outdoors RV. And what I was wondering, trying to get in here and show you if I can get the right light, is if you have a roof leak, you are never gonna know that there's something that's leaking into the inside. So as you can see, there's bare insulation. They do a like a plastic heat barrier on top of that bare insulation, so the water will first hit that insulation reflective material, and that will kind of let the water rest on there. But as you can see, all this stuff is cut in sections, so as they're suctioning through all the trusses inside the roof, the water is going to roll off, it's going to absorb into the insulation, and you'll never see it. Another issue too is that we get a lot of times where customers will come in and they'll have, let me see if I can catch it better on this one. They'll have a truss issue where like the sheets and stuff are moving. So just like in houses, you can see where this is just got little teeth that dive into the bottom piece of that wood. Well, sometimes walking on the roof hard, or sometimes the manufacturers will miss or something will happen, and those little metal plates that have teeth in them won't catch very well, or it'll split the wood because the wood's so thin. So if you're walking on the roof and you see like the sheets are like wavy and there's something that's sunken loose. Here a while back we had a gentleman that came in and had an air conditioner that was like sunk down in the roof and water was pulling all around it. Well, what ended up happening was the trusses actually failed, and as the movement of the coach, those little blocks and stuff fell loose and fell out of the way, and it caused the whole roof to kind of concave down, which allowed the water to pull up around it, which eventually made it worse. So that's not the case on this one, but it's just something to keep in mind. Another reason why to get your roofs inspected regularly. When we're in here doing the roofs, you can see the guys, they removed, this is called the beauty trim ring. So they removed the beauty trim ring, they put the screws off to the side. We take and use white sheets that we use in different colors, cover up the bedding and all that kind of fun stuff. Take everything down so we can get up in there to get the fan out from the roof. So that's all ready to go. It's the same thing in the bathroom. We did the same thing. So anyways, they're going to get back in here and put some covering down as well. They put the trim ring over there off the side to the sink for the moment. And once they get this all opened up, then what they're going to do is they're going to come back in here and they're basically going to bag all this area so that no glue, no dust, no dirt, anything can't come inside the coach to protect it. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks again, Dustin at California RV Specialist.